Hi everybody, Alex Deployer from Expert Forex, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to add another indicator to an existing indicator box. Now, why would you want to do that? Firstly, sometimes you want to confirm different indicator signals by looking at one window, and secondly, you want to see different versions of the same indicator in the same window. So let's go straight into it. On your screen, I have the RSI set for 4 on my chart. And let's say I want to add another RSI indicator using a different period to see how that looks. And all I have to do then is I go and find the RSI indicator in my navigator, and I drag it onto into the window that I want it to go. And let's say I want it to be for 21 periods, and I want to give it a different color, let's say blue, and I just say okay, and there is my second RSI indicator. So now you can actually see two readings for the RSI. There's the 4 reading and there's the 21 reading, and you can see that. And this actually makes sometimes nice signals. There's a crossover signal, there's a crossover signal, a really good one, and there's one. So that's why you would want the two RSIs on the same window. And if you want to do another indicator, and let's just delete the RSI out of there, and we add a MACD. Let's just add a MACD in, and we put it over the RSI, and I just say okay, and there we have the MACD indicator. So now it also makes it easier for you to compare trading signals using different indicators, like the MACD. Obviously, that there is a buy signal, and it goes on and on and on and on, and there is the sell signal on the MACD, and then here's the buy signal. So you can compare, and then on the RSI, whichever signal you're using, if you're using the 50 crossover, there's the 50 crossover. You can compare it with the MACD signal. There's the 50 crossover for the RSI, and you can compare it with the MACD signal, and so on. So there's quite a few reasons why you'd want many indicators on one window. Also, it doesn't clutter your trading chart too much when you use many indicators in one window. I hope you found this interesting, and from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.